Hello, I'm Yelchin, and I am doing videos now, and I'll be doing ones like Minecraft, me singing. I'm going to do a singing one now, so if you're going to listen to me. Let fall my heart, the music fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true in the games you play. You would always win, but I set fire to the red, white balls. I touched your face, let it burn while I cried, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Last time I lay with you, I could stand there, close my eyes, could hear forever. You and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true in the games you play. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watch it fall as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cried, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Oh, thanks. Hope to see you again.